For the next part of your moth, start by making a hole here and cutting down the paper lengthwise. Make another cut here to make it wider. Do the same thing over here. Then here. And over here. And finally here. Be careful when cutting here since this part is quite fragile. Now turn the sheet and make a smaller cut on the head. The next part is more difficult. Cut in the same way as before, but in a more circular shape, like a snail. Make sure you don't go too far. You need to keep the shape. Cut again along the same line, like this. Make the same cut 2 more times. Then, make 4 small diamonds in the center. And a circle in the center of the 4 diamonds. Repeat the same pattern next to the original one. Make a cut here in the shape of a comma. Finally, remove the wingtip. Make some designs on the wingtip. Make a circle here. Make a swastika here. A swastika is a cross with 4 extra lines. It's an ancient Buddhist symbol. Your Sphinx moth is finished. Make sure to open it gently so that it doesn't tear.